Hello, welcome to another fun Friday. I hope you're having a lovely day because that's what we're going to be learning how to play the brilliant song by Bill Withers. Now there is a sort of easy mode and a more complex mode that you can play this tune in. I'll show you a bit of both and then you can choose how you want to accompany it. Remember, this isn't a piano tutorial as such, it's just the notes that I use to play it when I play in a band. So you can see there's a set of chords you have to learn that works for the verse and the chorus. There is a pre-chorus underneath that you can see. Now if we take the easy mode, what you want to do is put your right hand on these notes. So it's E and the F sharp and the A. You can sort of leave your hand there for most of this and just do bass notes with the left hand. So we go E, C sharp, A. For the C major 7 and the B minor 7, you do really need to play those because it really adds to the sound. So C major 7, so it's a C, but I use my thumb to bridge the B as well. And then the B minor 7, again a B minor, but use your thumb to bridge to the A. So you'll need that at the end of each sequence around the chords. And when I say you leave your hand on these notes, it's because you can play the tune if you need to. Okay, so that's the thing to get under your fingers is, or you could play the E there if you're just doing accompaniment. There you go, that's how to play the chords. Now we get into the pre-chorus, so you will notice the main chords there are A minor 7 and B minor 7. So A minor 7, A minor, again, bridge with the thumb. B minor 7, same, B minor, use the thumb to cover the A and the B. So it's quite a nice easy movement to do between these two chords. And you could just play A minor 7 and B minor 7 for all of this. Because the bass player will be adding in those bass notes, but if you want to follow along, what you do is you play a D and then an E over the first two iterations, then do an A and a B as normal. That's the first time round. Second time round, back to the D and the E. A minor 7. And the second time you can go to an A over B, which gives you that nice lead into the chorus. There you go. I hope you found that fun. Get your fingers around it, impress your friends. Don't forget, like and subscribe is always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.